Good morning from Cologne, Germany, or Köln as it's called here. It's Fred and Linda with New Venture, New Day, about to give you an overview of Cologne. We are heading out to meet up with our hop-on, hop-off bus tour around the city. It's pretty pleasant this morning. It's probably in the upper 30s, low 40s, and we'll be riding around in the bus. Let's get rolling. So right now the sun is out. We are at the train station, and the train station is right next to the cathedral. Very convenient for staying here. There are all the taxis lined up waiting to pick people up at the train station. This is the view from the cathedral area down to the train station. That's how close they are. If you plan to visit the cathedral, coming by train is a pretty good idea. We found a nice cafe in the shadow of the cathedral, enjoying a nice, well actually excellent cup of coffee, each of us. Outside dining, and there are people, brave souls outside eating this morning as well. Frühstück. We have been waiting and waiting for this. They know how to do breakfast here. We have made it to the bus. We had a wonderful breakfast, and now we are on the hop-on, hop-off tour bus up in the upper deck with a great view all the way around us. It's a roll top, so apparently in the summer they can roll it back, but the entire top of this bus is covered as opposed to the previous ones we were on where there were big open sections, and it's quite warm in here, so it should be a very comfortable tour. We purchased our tickets online, so we were ready to go when we got here. Outside are people waiting to go on another tour opportunity they have here. Looks like some little carts that are pulled around by a tractor device. Then the square over by the cathedral is starting to fill up.
Der moderne Bau, der die Straße überquert.
Haltestelle
We're on our
Köln
way.
in der Burgmauer neben Köln Tourismus.
Very crowded area to drive in. I wouldn't want to be the one driving the bus. It's got to be tough.
1995 geschlossen werden, als der Rhein einen Pegelstand von 10,69 Meter erreichte. Das Wasser stand 2 Meter über dem Tunnel.
In the background you can hear the audio guide that comes over the loudspeaker, and that is in German. But as with the previous hop-on, hop-off bus tours, the riders are provided with earphones to plug in, and you can listen to the tour guide as you travel along in whatever language you choose.
An das Ende der Ringstraße und erreichen das Rheinufer, welches wir in nördliche Richtung entlangfahren werden.
The bus tour has a total of 14 stops and winds its way around basically the old city on both sides of the river, crossing a couple of different bridges, going underneath bridges. You get a really good overview of the general area. Here's a Christmas market off to my right that doesn't happen to be open at the moment. There's a large Ferris wheel at another attraction along the river. A lot of rail travel around here. Boat travel up and down the river. Crossing the Rhine here on the Deutsche Brücke, looking to the north, seeing the Hohenzollernbrücke. We're looking at the Triangle building. You can take one of 5 elevators to the top and get a great view of the city.
Von Köln aus werden kleine einstündige Panorama-Rundfahrten bis hin zum Tagesausflug ins romantische Rheintal angeboten.
Going by now on the east side of the river, a large hockey arena and training center for the Cologne Sharks. Here they're taking something down. There's a nice big-sized McDonald's. We're crossing back on the Zugbrücke, looking south again to the cathedral area. Oftentimes on a bus you'll see the sign Notaussteig, which means emergency exit, and close by will be a hammer to break the glass. As with other cities, a lot of shops and restaurants, and a lot of those restaurants have names that are very familiar. Here's something valuable if you're on an extended trip through Europe, and that's finding a good Waschsalon. Our ride around Cologne took about 2.5 hours and ended again by the cathedral. We hopped off and spent a little more time in the cathedral area. There's our bus over there. We're back by the square. Information center on the corner. Dome Forum and the cathedral. Directly across from the cathedral is a marvelous gift shop in the information center for Cologne. We're upstairs in the gift shop right now, and there's another smaller shop and an information booth downstairs. Pay toilets are common in Germany, and here by the cathedral is a pay toilet. It's 50 cents, pay by phone or by coin. Here's a little section of reconstructed Roman road on a display talking about the convergence of the Roman highways here in Cologne. A little bit about the construction. There's a recreated section of Roman highway, like passed through Cologne, and some old Roman structure over here. The Romans made quite a presence here in the Cologne area and in this part of Germany. The part of Germany my family's from, in the north, starting from Bielefeld in that area. The Romans were never quite as lucky. 9 AD, they got severely beaten by the North German tribes and never really got very far there. And the elves on the roof, taking the ski lift. On our way back to the hotel, we made a quick stop again at the train station and found a little cafe to sit down and have a little bit of a snack in. It's right underneath the train tracks, and you can look at the structure holding it up above us. Very interesting. And we got to dine with the pigeons. Since it's pretty much open to the outside, the pigeons come in and spend a lot of time here, and they know where to go to get a snack. And the people here are very used to the pigeons. They don't seem to pay them much mind, and the pigeons don't seem to pay much mind to the people that are here, unless they happen to encounter somebody face to face, and then they get out of the way. If you're looking for a spot to park, act quick. There's one right here. We'll wrap this video up right here at the Christmas market by the cathedral. We spent some time at that, both in the daylight and later in the day. And we also did a tour earlier in the day of the train station. We'll be sharing those videos with you coming up in the next couple of weeks. If you enjoyed today's quick tour of Cologne, well, please click like and consider subscribing so you see the other videos as they're released from our tour through Europe. Once again, I want to thank you all for watching. Enjoy your travels and take care.